In this video, we'll show you how you can see your website through the eyes of Google's PageSpeed Insights with the help of user agents. To do that, we have to start with a quick explanation of what user agents are. So if you're already familiar with that, feel free to skip to the second part of the video. There, we'll cover how to emulate a different device and user agent using Chrome's DevTools. Don't worry if all of this sounds too technical. You only need to understand a few basic concepts and follow a simple process that doesn't require any tech skills. Also, this process lets you easily double-check if there are differences in how PageSpeed Insights and visitors see your site. Let's get started. When you try to load a website, your browser sends an HTTP request to the server that hosts the site. This request has a few parts, one of which is called an HTTP header. The browser uses the header section to provide information that helps the server understand the request and offer a tailored response. This is where the user agent comes into play. The user agent is a line of text inside the HTTP header. Its job is to tell the server what type of browser, device, and operating system the client is using. For example, here's how the user agent looks when using Mozilla on a Mac OS version 10.15. And here's the user agent for the same device using Chrome. You can find more details about user agents in the articles below. For now, the important thing to remember is this. A user agent is a string of characters that the browser passes to the server. This information is necessary for providing a personalized experience, like serving a mobile version of a page to mobile devices. Each browser has a unique user agent. Internet bots, like Googlebot, also have one. Okay, so what does this have to do with Google's PageSpeed Insights? Well, PageSpeed Insights also has a user agent, and we can use that to see our website the same way PageSpeed Insights does. Here's how we can do that in Chrome. First, we open the page we want to test. Right-click and select Inspect. This will bring up Chrome's DevTools, which we can use to emulate different devices and user agents. Once opened, we have to click on the small Toggle Device Toolbar button. This gives us the option to emulate a bunch of preset devices like an iPhone 6 or a Pixel 2. By itself, this is a great way to test how a website looks on different devices, but we'll take things a step further. Let's click on the small arrow next to the device and select Edit. From here, we can create a new simulated device with a custom user agent. You can find the PageSpeed Insights user agent strings for mobile and desktop devices in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste one of them in the user agent string field. Lastly, save the custom device, and voila! You now have a way to see your website exactly as PageSpeed Insights sees it. To make this process easier, we created a simple way for validating that you're using the correct user agent. If you go to nitropack.io/page/user-agent-debugger, the page will display your device type. If you set up the custom device like we just described, the page should also detect that you're using the Lighthouse User-Agent. By the way, it says Lighthouse Bot because that's the technology that powers PageSpeed Insights. You can find more information about it in the description. If we test this page with PageSpeed Insights, we can see that it displays the same message. In other words, the page correctly detects that it was visited by the Lighthouse bot. Once you have the custom device ready, you can open any page and reload it. You can scroll, click, look at network requests, see anything else from PageSpeed Insights' perspective. Just remember that this process works only on the tab where DevTools was opened. If you switch to another tab, you'll have to open DevTools separately and refresh the page with the same emulated device.